Hello?
What you do? What you gonna do? Hi. What you
Excuse me?
gonna do, man?
Excuse me?
Yeah. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's nice meeting you too.
Do you live around here?
Yeah, I'm just strolling. I live around. Somewhere close.
Oh.
It's like you're just coming back.
Yes, I am just coming back. Please, that is a hotel I am looking for. Okay. Actually, I came with a cab, and the cabman dropped me at the wrong place. The hotel I wanted to lodge in is not where he took me to. So I don't like there, and I have to.
Oh, sorry now. So you've not heard? You've not heard?
No. About what?
You've not heard about Lord's Sky Side Hotel. That means #1 hotel out here in Oka. What you doing here? Why stressing yourself, Chairman?
Wait a minute. That's exactly where I'm looking for.
Oh my God. What are you doing? Let me help you out. Oh shit, let's go.
Lord's Sky Side.
That's my home. I base there. That's my home. I'm the hype man.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, for real. Let me help you out.
Thank you very much. I was trying to book over, but everywhere is somehow.
Don't stress yourself. Everything is here. Let me help you.
No, let me have one.
Let me help you.
Hi.
Let's go, please.
Thank you.
I promise you, that's the best.
Welcome to Lost Sky Side Hotel.
Thank you very much. How are you doing?
Fine, and you?
I'm good. I guess you know this guy. He brought me here.
Yo, he's a hot man here.
I told you. I told you.
Okay. Can I see your manager?
Of course. Give me a second. Let me get her.
Okay.
Just chill. This is one of the best.
Good day, sir.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome to Lost Sky Side Hotel. Okay.
Thank you. I have heard so much about this hotel.
Wow.
Funny enough, I googled it and I asked the cabman to bring me here, but fortunately he took me to another place.
Wow.
So I got angry and I decided to leave. On my way, I saw this young man here who claimed that he is a hype man here.
Yes, he is. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I hope I'm going to enjoy myself.
Of course, you will enjoy yourself. We have 24 hours uninterrupted supply. We have a beautiful lunch and a free Wi-Fi for you to browse. You're highly welcome, sir.
Thank you.
You are.
Thank you. I think I need to see some rooms, so let me make a choice. Guy, you have to wait for me, okay?
I got you.
Yes, just wait for me. I will be with you soon.
All right.
Okay?
I have 3 categories of rooms. I have executive, I have super deluxe and classic.
Oh, good. Let me see your executive.
Come with me. Let me show you my luxury.
See this one. Wow. This is good. 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 Wow. I think I like this. I like this place. Come on. Oh. Yeah. More like it. Oh, good. This is your toilet.
Yes.
Wow. Luxury or nothing.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
I like this. Wow, so spacious. You see, why I love this place is because it is located in a very cool rural area. There's no much noise, all those stuff in Nigeria here. I think I like it already.
You're welcome, sir.
I hope there is a bar where I can, cool off.
Yes, we'll have a bar.
And
uninterrupted power supply.
Okay.
We have security and a very cozy environment and clean compound.
I used to like shawarma so much. I don't know.
Yeah, we have shawarma stand and barbecue.
Oh,
And we have kitchen where you can get African dishes.
you are kidding me.
Of course.
Oh my goodness. So what am I looking for again? Everything I want in the hotel is here. So I have to relax and then have fun.
Yeah,
See, I'm going to stay here for like 1 month because coming back to Nigeria, I need to rest. I've been working abroad. But you see here, tell anybody that is preparing your shawarma to get ready with me because if I don't get enough shawarma to eat, I will eat somebody.
You can count on us. I will make sure that your stay here will be a memorable one.
It's well.
You are welcome to Los Sky Side.
Thank you. Please, can I have the address of this place again?
Sure.
Let me send to my friend that is coming to pick their stuffs.
Okay. Los Sky Side Hotel is located at Los Sky Side Street, Umopala Village, Amansi, Oka.
Los Sky Side Street.
Umopala Village.
Umopala Village.
Amansi, Oka.
Amansi.
Oka.
Amansi, Oka.
Yes, sir.
Good. Beautiful.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Let me go and make my payments.
Okay.
Good.
Thank you.
See that, Benny?
Ah,
I told you.
my brother, you really. Thank you. I have to. In fact, I am so grateful.
Don't mention sir.
If not for you, at least I would have gotten myself into trouble.
Even though I speak Igbo, I beg that. I never know package things. So this is Los Sky Side Hotels.
That is
We
it.
do good out here.
Nice place.
This is my place. I own here.
I know.
The hype man, the personal hype man out here. You don't take shit from nobody.
So you hype here.
Yeah, for real. This is my place, my home zone.
What you did there on the road shows that you are a good hype man.
Say nothing, say less.
I love it.
Yeah.
Because before you go, let me just show appreciation. Have this. What?
Dollar.
Yes.
Real dollar.
Yeah.
Nothing. This is dollar. Real dollar.
Yeah, I know.
It's not fake.
I know.
When next time you come in, please.
I'm here for now.
I'll wait to see you.
You can always come around.
I swear, you made me happy.
I know.
Forget this package, you know. Now foreign now they follow. I never seen dollar before.
I know. Thank you.
Boss.
Bye.
More